everyone, I'm Livia, an entrepreneurship student of Exam EM3. Here, I want to show you the secret recipe on how to make the delicious Banoffee pie that you can enjoy during quarantine. So, let's get started.
First, wash your hands and prepare the ingredients. Then crush the biscuits with the melted butter. Press the biscuits into the pie tin and bake it. Now it's time for the caramel toffee. First, combine the butter, palm sugar, and condensed milk and keep stirring until it dissolves and reach this consistency. Then spread the caramel toffee to the pie crust and add the banana. After that, whip your whipped cream with the mixer. Now it's time to top the Banoffee pie with whipped cream. And the last step is dust it with cocoa powder. This is it! Your Banoffee pie is ready!
Delicious! This recipe is very simple to follow and definitely a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to try!